Preparing for service using the BG Emissions Service VIA tool. Read the product safety data sheet before handling any BG product. Visual inspection before service on vehicles with high mileage is recommended. In vehicles with excessive mileage and/or carbon deposits, removal of carbon may expose weaknesses in the emissions system that are not present before servicing. It may be necessary to remove these components and clean them separately using BG Emissions System Cleaner PNPD20. Note, during this service, there will be a significant amount of foam coming out of the tailpipe of the vehicle. Step 1. If the engine is hot, the emissions system must be cooled before beginning service. Step 2. Determine the required adapter and connect to the emissions system sensor port before the diesel oxidation catalyst DOC in diesel vehicles. Step 3. Attach the BG Emissions Service VIA supply hose to the adapter. Make sure the ball valve on the supply hose is closed. Step 4. Unscrew the fill cap on the BG Emissions Service VIA and fill with BG Emissions System Cleaner PNPD20. Per engine size, use the following fill: 6 to 7 liter, 6 quarts, 2 fills of 3 quarts each recommended. 3 liter to 5.9 liter, 4 quarts, 2 fills of 2 quarts each recommended. 2.9 liter and smaller, 2 quarts. Step 5. Reinstall the fill cap and place the BG Emissions Service VIA close to the working area. Connect shop air. Set the air pressure to 60 psi. Step 6. Start the engine. The service is performed with the engine idling. Step 7. Open the ball valve on the supply hose and administer the product until the canister is empty. Note, if more than 4 quarts are to be used, turn the pressure regulator to 0, counterclockwise. Press and hold the pressure release button until the gauge reads 0 psi. Make sure the ball valve on the supply hose is closed. Repeat steps 4 through 8. Step 8. Turn the engine off. Step 9. Turn the ball valve on the supply hose off, turn the pressure regulator to 0, counterclockwise, and press and hold the pressure release button until the gauge reads 0 psi. Make sure the ball valve on the supply hose is closed. Turn the engine off. Step 10. Let the product soak for 15 minutes. Step 11. Repeat steps 4 through 9 using BG Emissions System Rinse, PNPD21. Per engine size, use the following fill: 6 to 7 liter, 3 quarts. 3 liter to 5.9 liter, 2 quarts. 2.9 liter and smaller, 1 quart. Step 12. When the cleaner and rinse have been administered, disconnect the BG Emissions Service VIA, remove the adapter, and reconnect the temperature sensor. Reset any engine codes. The vehicle should then be set to run a manual regeneration cycle. If that is not possible, the vehicle should be driven at highway speeds or, in the case of non-highway equipment, operated under a load for approximately 30 minutes. This is necessary to combust any material within the emissions system and downstream within the particulate filter. This should be done immediately after the service.